Hello everyone, my name is Amarjot Singh and I'm the founder and CEO of Skylark Labs. And today I'll be presenting our work with the Indian Police, which is focused on deploying AI-based drones to enforce curfew and ensure that social distancing is being maintained to curb the spread of coronavirus. Hello everyone, my name is Amarjot Singh and I'm the founder and CEO of Skylark Labs. And today I'll be speaking about a project which have been undertaking for the past 1 month, which is focused on deploying AI-enabled drones to enforce curfew and monitor social distancing to curb the spread of coronavirus in India. So the problem is that in India, there is a complete and total lockdown due to the coronavirus. And the idea is that we can stop the flow of people, that will curb the spread of coronavirus, which is the case across many countries. So everyone by law is supposed to stay at home, so there is no movement of people during the day. So that's total curfew. Uh, and that's the same case during the night as well. No one is allowed to go out. And the certain parts of the day where people are supposed to go out, they're supposed to maintain distance between them, the term social distancing. So these are the three things which uh, which need to be followed by the rules of the lockdown. Now the problem is India is a very big country. It does not have CCTV cameras everywhere, so it becomes rather challenging for the police to enforce the curfew. People uh, are likely to go out, and there was a very big challenge as to how this should be enforced. So this is where our AI-enabled drones come in. So these drones, multiple of them, uh, are designed to fly across the city. They gather data, and during the time where people are allowed to move out, they gather data, detect humans, and ensure that the humans are far away, and if they are within close proximity, they are flagged, an alert is created. And during the the times where people are not supposed to be out, which is like parts of the day and during the night, it creates alert if anyone is detected. So the system consists of three parts. One, recording data from drones, as I mentioned. Second, detecting the humans and calculating the distance between them to ensure social distancing and the times where people are not supposed to be out at all. If a human is detected, an alert is created. And this alert is sent uh, to the phone of the police, which basically says what is the location where the alert is created. The police can go and talk to those people and either find them or take the appropriate action. So now I'll be describing the three parts of the system. So we just spoke about the so as I just mentioned, that multiple drones are being used by the police across the city to monitor large amounts of area. So they are using around 10 drones to cover different parts of the city. And the range of these drones is that they can look for people at a distance of 150 meters to 1 kilometer. So they're fairly extensive. They have a long enough range. So the data which is gathered by these drones is processed by our software, and the software first detects the humans. So you can see in the GIF on the right that all the humans are detected as within these bounding boxes, and it is primarily done using this fully convolutional deep neural network, which is called a YOLO detector, which is trained on data which is gathered from drones. And once the model is trained and further deployed, it is able to detect these humans. So you can see that there are some boxes which are red, some boxes which are green. So I'll go into the detail of that now. So essentially, uh, everyone is detected, all the humans are detected, and if the humans are within a close proximity, they are flagged as red. That means they're violating the social distance. And if this happens during the nighttime or other times of the day where people are not supposed to be out at all, then everyone is detected and flagged as an alert within a red bounding box, irrespective of their distance from each other. So in this frame on the right, you can see an example of two bikes coming towards each other, and they're marked as green. But as soon as they cross each other, they're marked as red. That means they came too close to each other. And you can see it's a very long range shot from a drone, and the people were at a distance of around 400 meters. So you can see the capacity and the range of the system. So this is the other example I mentioned. This is during the evening around 8 o'clock, and during that time no one is supposed to be out, and it detected three people just sitting outside. So it detected all of them, marked them as red because they were not supposed to be outside. So this is how the processing happens. So as soon as the people are detected, the system computes the distance between the boxes, and if there are people who are within a close proximity, an alert is sent via message, SMS, to the phones of the police or members of the police who are closer to the location where this alert had occurred. And you can see the examples on the right side how this alert looks like. So it points to the location of where the people are. It has a screenshot. It also shows the location. And this is what the police uses further to go and talk to these people and take the appropriate action necessary to to enforce the curfew. So in this slide, you can see that when the data is collected from different drones across the city, they're pulled into our command center, and there you can see the members of our team uh, analyzing this data and further coordinating the alerts with the police. So overall, the system has proven to be quite useful because previously the police has no idea where people were gathering and they were violating the curfew. With these aerial drones, they are able to monitor larger area, and they have been able to arrest 269 people for violating the curfew. And in addition, people are not supposed to go and take their cars out, so they are also able to impound 306 vehicles and file 72 complaints against those people. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the talk.